Hi, friends. How are you doing? So, today I want to show you how you can find out if a company pays dividends or do not pay dividends. First of all, let's start with dividends. Now, dividends are more like a thank you gift from companies. So, you love to drink Coca Cola, right? And now you own shares of Coca Cola. And every 3 months, Coca Cola says, "Hey, for owning our shares, we want to say thank you because we made some profit and we're giving you some." That sounds interesting, right? So, this is one of the coolest ways to make money passively. You don't need to do anything, just owning your stocks. As long as you own the stocks, you will definitely be enjoying your sweet dividends. Now, people can earn up to $1 million, $500,000 per year. Some people can actually earn up to $1,000. You can actually build it little by little. So today I'm going to use one of my favorite websites, which is called stockanalysis.com. Head over to Google and tap on stock analysis, and it's going to pop up this first one here. This particular first one, yep, that's what we are going to use. To tap on it and it opens up. All you need to do is to go over to the search button icon here. You can see where they have put companies or stocks. Okay, so head over there, tap on it, and type the name of the company. So let's see if Nvidia pays dividends. Okay, once you tap on it, of course, you're going to see all the details of the company. Let's start from the price. Currently, market is moving as at the time of this recording. You will see financial, see so many other things. Now, what do? You push this up, you scroll up, and you're going to see so many things. Can you see market cap? Can you see the revenue? Can you see the net income? All of this, what are you looking for? Dividends. You come here, you will see your dividends. Okay, you also see the ex dividend day, meaning for you to earn dividends, you must own this stock before 12th of March. And it actually changes. By the time they pay your dividends, you're going to get a new date because look at here. Look at this earnings date, meaning that that is when they're going to pay on the 28th of May 2025. So that is Nvidia. Now let's look at another stock. Let's look at Amazon. Okay, let's look at Amazon. Let's see if Amazon pays dividends. Currently, Amazon is $204. Okay, as at the time of this recording. Remember, the stock market moves up and down, so take note of that. Now, let's scroll up here. Okay, let's see some interesting things. You can see the market cap, you can see the revenue, net income, you can see the volume for today, and so many other things, all right, that I do not want to talk about. Now you can see here, not available. Can you see that? Not available. Dividend date, ex-dividend date, not available. So this is how you check if companies are paying you dividends or not. Let's look at one of my favorite dividend stocks, which is a real estate investment trust. Okay, they're involved in the real estate, and they pay every month. This is one of my favorites. Sorry, they pay in every 3 months. So look at these amazing figures. Look at their dividend yield. So in a year, this company is giving you 12.7% of your money. So for every share you own, they're giving you $1.02. This is amazing. Beautiful. And for you to own the stock, you must own it before April 11th because they just paid on the 7th of May. And in a couple of weeks, you're going to see the next 3 months. So they have paid in May, June, July, August. They will be paying again in August. So how do you get your dividends paid? So assuming you bought this stock with your Bamboo, so today I'm going to be using Bamboo app. Assuming you bought this stock with Bamboo, let me tell you how you're going to receive your money in Bamboo. Ever wondered what happens when you get paid in dividends from Bamboo? Yes, today I'm going to talk about how you can receive. Now, if you're using Bamboo and you want to first of all be sure, because not all stocks, not all US stocks pays dividends, and not all Nigerian stocks also pays dividends. Now, if you want to be sure that these companies are paying you dividends, head over to your Bamboo app, like you're seeing on the screen. And what do you do next? You open up and go to search US stocks. So I'm on US stocks and I'm going to show you how. Now, I'm not going to start typing any company, but let me just tap on Amazon. Let's see if Amazon pays dividends. Let's click on Amazon. Now, this is Amazon stock. And if you go further down, sorry, go to the financials, and you can see here, this dividend yield spot is empty. It simply means they are not paying dividends. You see? So that's how you know exactly what companies are paying dividends. I just pulled up this GNL just so you know this particular stock is in Bamboo. And this is the beautiful thing, this stock is very cheap. Imagine getting this stock at $7 and this stock goes up to $10. You have made what? Extra $3, and this stock is paying you $12.7, 12.7% per annum. That is amazing. How do you receive your dividends? Your dividend drops into your US stock wallet. So if this company has paid you the last quarter $20, $5, $50, $100, $2, half a dollar, you are going to see it in your wallet. So you just see it pop up there, meaning that you can use it to purchase stocks or do anything, or you can even cash it and move it into your local bank account. That sounds amazing, right? So that is what I wanted to share with you today. I do hope that you made a lot of sense for you. If you have confusion or questions, please drop it in the comments. Ask the question, and I'm going to make another video where I'm going to answer your questions. I hope you learned something today. I just want to ask you, do you own dividend stocks? Do you know that dividend stocks can be one way you can retire? If you can actually start buying dividend stocks every single month, say for instance, you're buying this stock every month, along the line, you may have the stock paying you up to $1,000 every single month. Or let's say every quarter you earn about $3,000, meaning that you now have $1,000 every month. If you want me to do a detailed breakdown of how you can understand dividend stocks using someone who just recently retired early through dividend stocks, then wait for that video because I'll be dropping it very soon. I do hope you learned something nice today. And if you don't have the Bamboo Stock app, please head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple iOS and download this particular stock. Get it started today. There's no need for you to delay. Is your best friend. Get started today. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.